Hi there, I'm Josh from Motor Match Bolton, and today I'm going to be showing you around this used car for sale. This is the Mitsubishi L200 DID DC Warrior 4-wheel drive model. It's got a 2.4 litre diesel engine and it comes in automatic transmission. This vehicle is also ULEZ compliant. Chrome door mirrors and exterior door handles do complement the grey exterior nicely. You've also got your black roof bars as well as chrome side steps. There is also a Towbar fitting available at the rear. Headlights are equipped with automatic light sensors. Here's a close look at your very large rear lights. Here's a close look at your 17-inch alloy wheels. You can see this vehicle's packing plenty of space in the rear. You can also make use of a Towbar fitting for even more storage. Heading into your spacious rear interior, you've got a black leather upholstery for that extra level of comfort. You've got ISOFIX Points available in the rear seats for those with small children, and you do get some storage on the back of your front seats, as well as this drop-down black leather armrest with included cup holders. Your side steps provide easy access to your front interior. Your seats are electronically adjustable. You've got a multifunction steering wheel on offer. The left side houses controls for your volume and channel control. You can also change your radio source. You also get some hands-free phone call options. Your right side's got your speed limiter settings. Your nav menu provides plenty of options for you to browse. You can see you can store addresses in your address book, and you can also view points of interest. Your map's very clear and easy to read also. You've got access to this information menu here that's paired with your general settings menu. The sound quality control menu actually allows you to customise the sound of the speakers in the vehicle to your liking. You've also got this paired devices menu where you can store previously paired devices. DAB radio is on offer in this vehicle. You've also got your source menu to make use of other features such as your Bluetooth connectivity. Hands-free phone calls are also available via this feature, as you can see from this menu here. The size of this vehicle makes the rear camera all that more useful. You've got a dual zone climate control setup on offer. You do get front and rear heating as well as the option to set it to automatic for ease of use. Below your climate control you'll find your two front heated seats options. These are going to be great for you in the winter. You do get some red highlights throughout your interior that give it that extra bit of personality compared to other vehicles. You've also got this nice and large private storage compartment and some sunglasses holders that are going to be great in the summer. For more information on this vehicle or to book a test drive, feel free to call us on 01204 786 582.